Hi ladies, welcome back to the art extravaganza. This is a single page I've created for you. It's a really quick and easy one. So all you're going to do is you're going to use white cardstock for your background. You do have this awesome sheet that is already all done for you. So it's got these beautiful frames. What you need to do is you're going to cut your paper down to 29 by 29. Keep these little edges on the sides. You'll have a look at mine. I've actually kept them, so it just goes up to 30.5. So it finishes off your page. And then cut out the middle of your frames as well. Once that is done, you're going to raise it on foam. You can have a look. I've put foam under my entire piece. And then adhere it into the middle of your white paper. All right, that's all you need to do. And then you're going to have all your flower elements that you have fussy cut. These you are going to apply gloss. And you are going to apply translucent glitter, or if you have got stickles, you can use that as well. All right, so you're going to basically color it in with gloss. I pretend that I'm coloring in a coloring in book, and I'm just outlining, so I don't color everything in. I just go around the edges as if I'm going to draw it for a coloring in book, and then I apply my glitter on top of that. All right, and then for your title, you'll see I've gone with white and yellow. I have used the Moonlight White versus Brilliance. I've inked my entire thing. Let it dry a little bit, and then I've gone with Fossilized Amber, but you can use any yellow that you've got on hand. And I have gone over the bloom part, which once again, just the bloom part, I have glossed and glittered as well. All right, and then you'll see that cute little bee. I mean, how awesome is that little bee? I love this range. There we go. And so that's your quick bonus that you can do with the leftovers of the paper that you have in the kit. And I hope you enjoy it. Thank you, girls.